Are you ready?
Y'all need to stop putting your dicks in places they don't belong.
Oh, yeah, brother. This episode is called Mayor Mayhem, brother, and it's gonna be a Mayor Maniac Mania. We're gonna be talking about money, Cheryl Carter, and Eric Adams, brother. We're gonna have them slamming their way through tables, brother. It's gonna be crazy. See you there. Episode coming soon, brother.
This week, we're going to see some extreme heat in the city, and we want you to be conscious of that. It is hard to believe what extreme heat kills more people than extreme weather emergencies. So we want you to be focused. Number one, if you are experiencing heat exhaustion, get in a cool place. Get out of the sun. We are going to do our part. We are opening our cooling centers starting from tomorrow until Tuesday. And let's do what we do best. Let's look after our fellow New Yorkers, particularly those who are vulnerable. Let's make sure that they're okay. Give them the things they need. Let's support each other. Enjoy the weekend and the week. But watch out for the heat.